Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to restore or clean the Alcantara steering wheels in an E63. They get all nasty and matted down. Now this will work for any car. And before you fast forward, most important takeaway is do not use a brush. Don't use anything rough, because if you are not gentle with this, you're just going to absolutely destroy it. So just pay attention, watch the video, and I'll show you how to get it perfect. As you can see, it is just matted down from hand lotion, skin oil, or whatever, and that is disgusting. So we're going to go ahead and clean that up and try to make this Alcantara look brand new. The product I'm using for this is the Sonax Alcantara cleaner. Works really well. So here's the plan. We got a towel in our lap. So we're just going to take some of the Sonax, kind of just foam it on here and keep it out of your buttons and just kind of work it around. If you use a brush, there's a good likelihood you're going to get these like lint bump look all over. It won't be smooth anymore. You have little balls of Alcantara everywhere. So be very gentle with it. Just let the product do the work. So we're just going to massage it in with our hands and then let it sit for about 10 minutes and then blot it up with a clean rag. But already I've already smeared it on there and it's starting to suck out the oils pretty well. All right, it's been about 7 minutes, so we got a clean microfiber. And instead of scrubbing this, I'm just going to kind of just gently wipe. Said that is nasty. So it's going to probably take a few tries before we get it really back to looking brand new. But either way, if that's coming off, you know it's going to look good when we're done. Again, I don't want those little fuzzies, so I'm just going to be very gently and mostly blot and squeeze. That's so gross. All right, and now we are done. So I spent about an hour on this, but it came out perfect. So as you can see, there's none of the little fluffies that you get if you rub it too hard. The look is very consistent. It has all the fibers are all look even. None of them are matted down. No signs of a previous owner anywhere. So I'm very happy with the way this came out. It looks just as nice as it was in my other E63 that only had a little over 10,000 miles when I bought it. Just follow the instructions I gave you guys. Do not rub this. Don't use a brush. Don't use anything like that. Super gentle. Just let the product do its work, and I swear it's going to come out good. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.